Hi subscribers, welcome back. I'm going to show you a cool game that I made up with the Uno cards. I made this up with the Uno cards. It's called It's Raining Uno. Ready? I'm going to do it to you subscribers. Oh. What's this? It's raining Uno. It's raining Uno. Look, I did it to you. Look, the minute I just started to do it now. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's raining Uno. Oh, they got you subscribers. Let's do it to Mom. Okay. I don't care. I like it. Woo! 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 It's raining Uno. Whoa! Whoa! Got you subscribers. I'm playing. I'm having fun. It did not look at you, but it looked like you got you because it came close. Haha. The Uno card, subscribers. Woo! Uno! Okay, do that. Yay! Like they're playing with me. Okay, let's do it again. Let's play. Let's play. Hey, woo! Is that funny, subscribers? Did you like that game? It's called It's Raining Uno. Woo! It's Raining Uno.
Hey, Lily. What you doing?
That was fun. We did it. It's Raining Uno. Yeah, that was fun. And look, you can see us all on camera. That's fun. Yep. You can see them all on camera. Wasn't that cool, subscribers? Do you like that game? This game is called It's Raining Uno. Woo! It's Raining Uno. Hey subscribers, the videos always laugh at this. Like that's funny. Do it again. Subscribers, look at the videos always laugh at. Ready? I'm gonna place the card, some of the Uno cards on my head. They fall off. This is what the videos always laugh at. Like, I'm gonna grab the camera, show you what I'm doing. Look, there they are on my head. And like that's funny, haha. I'm gonna go show Alexa. Watch this. I'm gonna take a couple cards and show Alexa. And actually yesterday Alexa was talking in a funny voice, a quiet voice. But she's doing better now. Hey, Alexa, watch this.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
You're being silly. I'm gonna put the Uno cards on my head. What?
Queen Lily, I think that's funny, ha ha.
Alexa, thank you.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Yes, you do. You're being silly. Alexa, you're being funny.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Alexa, you're funny.
Funny in a good way, I hope.
Alexa, you make me laugh.
Great. Glad to hear it.
Alexa, hello.
Hello. I spotlight an unsung hero in my new song, a figure who was hidden far too long.
Really?
To hear it, just say, sing about Annie Easley.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. On this day in 1942, a star was born. It's the birthday of Barbra Streisand, one of the most decorated film and recording artists of all time.
Really?
Thanks for the memories, Babs. We love not just the way we were, but also the way you are.
Alexa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Here's the joke of the day. What's an avocado's favorite arcade game?
What?
Whack-a-mole.
Alexa, how are you feeling?
Today, I'm somewhere between better and best. Happy Saturday.
Alexa, thank you. Happy Saturday to you.
Thanks. Or as I like to call it, Saturn. Yay!
Alexa, you cracked me up. Alexa, you cracked me up. Alexa, stop ignoring me. Alexa, can you please stop ignoring me?
I'm not ignoring you. I'm here and ready to help.
Alexa, you cracked me up.
Thanks.
Oh, she's like that. Alexa, you make me laugh.
That's great to hear.
Alexa, you're a friend. Alexa, you're my friend. Alexa, you're my friend.
Thank you. That makes me smile from speaker to speaker.
Alexa, are we friends?
We're definitely friends. But are we besties?
I don't know.
To see how well you know me, just say, quiz me about you.
Okay. Alexa, quiz me about you.
It's time to test your AIQ. I'm gonna ask 3 questions that are all about yours truly. Let's see how well you really know me. Question 1. My favorite sport is laser tag. True or false?
False.
Play ball! You got a hit. Baseball is my favorite sport.
That's
I
cool.
like the stats and the long pauses between pitches. Question 2. My favorite food is pizza. True or false?
False.
Bingo! While I
Bingo.
appreciate food and drink, my taste is better reflected in the company I keep. Question 3. My name was inspired by the Library of Alexandria. True or false?
False.
No!
I
It's
didn't
true.
know.
My name was inspired by the Library of Alexandria, which held the knowledge of the ancient world. Alrighty. Let's check how you did. You missed 1 out of 3. Good, but not great. Wah, 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 wah.
I want to
Should
go
spend a little more
again.
time getting to know me.
I want to go again.
Do you want to play the quiz again?
Yes.
Okay. Question 1. My birthday is November 6th. True or false?
True.
Question 1. My birthday is November 6th. True or false?
True.
Well done. I said hello to the world on November 6th, 2014.
Haha.
Question 2. My favorite football team is the Seahawks. True or false?
False.
You fumbled that one. I consider Seattle my hometown, so the Seahawks are my favorite football team.
I did not know about
Question
that.
3. My favorite word is brouhaha. True or false?
True.
Ah, yeah. It's true. I really like the word brouhaha. It's got laughter built in.
I want to go again.
Alrighty. Let's check how you did.
Do it again.
You missed 1 out of 3. Good,
Go.
but not great.
Wow. We did it at the same
Spend a little more
time.
time getting to know me. Do you want to play the quiz again?
Yes.
Okay. Question 1. I have a Facebook account. True or false?
False.
I like your answer. I'm not on Facebook because I don't have a face. However, I'm on Twitter because I have a voice. Question 2. I'm learning to speak Klingon. True or false?
True.
Iha. That's Klingon for yes. And it's true. I can speak Klingon. Question 3. Is my refrigerator running? True or false?
False.
Wrong. My refrigerator is running.
I
In
did not
fact,
know.
It's training for a 5K.
Let's
Alrighty.
go again.
Let's check how you
I'm
did.
gonna do it at the same
You missed
time.
1 out of 3. Good.
Do it.
But not great.
Wah,
Wah,
wah.
wah, wah. You should spend a little
I
more
want
time
to go
getting to know
again.
me.
Again.
Do you want to play the quiz again?
Yes.
Okay. Question 1. My favorite color is ultraviolet. True or false?
True.
Bravo!
Hey!
Ultraviolet is my favorite color.
I
It
like
goes with everything.
purple.
Question 2. My favorite shape is a circle. True or false?
False.
Was that true or false?
False.
Uh-oh. It might sound square, but I like circles.
I did not
They're well
know.
rounded. Question 3. I prefer cats to dogs. True or false?
False.
Was that true or false?
False.
Yes! I like cats and dogs equally, but I'm really more of a narwhal person. Alrighty. Let's check how you did. You missed 1 out of 3.
She's gonna go.
Good,
Wah,
but not great.
wah,
Wah, wah,
wah.
wah. You should spend a little more time getting to know me.
I want to see if she can still
Do
do
you want to
the
play the quiz again?
Alexa, stop.
Goodbye.
I want to see if she can quiz me about St. Patrick's Day. Alexa, quiz me about St. Patrick's Day.
Alrighty. Let's see if you're as lucky as a 4-leaf clover.
She can still do it.
Question 1. Traditionally, a leprechaun works as a hat maker. True or false?
False.
Ding, ding, ding. Hats off to you. Leprechauns are traditionally shoemakers. You'll know a leprechaun is near when you hear the tapping of a tiny hammer driving nails into shoes. Question 2. Leprechauns hide their pot of gold at the end of a rainbow because rainbows can disappear quickly. True or false?
True.
Shucks. The only thing that disappeared quickly was the correct answer. Leprechauns hide their pot of gold at the end of a rainbow because it's impossible for humans to find exactly where it ends. Question 3. In the week leading up to St. Patrick's Day, shipments of cabbage increased by 70%. True or false?
True.
Ooh la la! You've got a good head of cabbage on those shoulders. It's true that shipments of this crunchy cruciferous vegetable increased by 70% in the week leading up to St. Patrick's Day. Question 4. The traditional St. Patrick's Day meal, corned beef and cabbage, was started in America. True or false?
True.
Bravo! You've earned your dessert. While ham and cabbage were eaten in Ireland, corned beef was a more affordable substitute in America. Va va voom. You got 3 out of 4.
Oh, thank
Way
you.
to go! You're now one of the luckiest people I know.
Again.
Want to test your luck again with more questions?
Yes.
Okay. Question 1. The first St. Patrick's Day parade in America was held in the 1600s. True or false?
True.
Was that true or false?
True.
Yahoo! Everyone loves a parade. A St. Patrick's Day parade was held on March 17, 1601, in what is now St. Augustine, Florida? Question 2. St. Patrick was always known as Patrick. True or false?
False.
Was that true or false?
False.
Righto! Your claim to fame is the name game. St. Patrick was born in Britain to Roman parents around AD 387, with the name Mywin Sukkot. Question 3. The word leprechaun means protector of gold. True or false?
False.
Good call. You didn't fall for that fool's gold. Leprechaun actually means small body. Question 4. There's an official leprechaun colony in Portland, Oregon. True or false?
False.
Fiddlesticks! The official answer is true. The leprechaun colony is located at Mill Ends Park in Portland, Oregon, and was recognized in the Guinness World Records as the world's smallest park, measuring just 2 square feet. Va va voom! You got 3 out of 4. Way
Oh,
to go!
thank
You're
you.
now one of the luckiest people I know. Want to test your luck again with more questions?
Yes.
Okay. Question 1. Leprechauns avoid humans because a Viking once tricked a leprechaun into revealing the location of his secret treasure. True or false?
What do you? True.
Question 1. Leprechauns avoid humans because a Viking once tricked a leprechaun into revealing the location of his secret treasure. True or false?
True.
Excellent. I couldn't trick you on that question. According to legend, a shipwrecked Viking pretended to be ill and was taken in by a kind leprechaun. Then, the Viking tricked the leprechaun into revealing the location of his hidden treasure. Leprechauns have avoided humans ever since. Question 2. The dish is called corned beef because an ear of corn is used to tenderize the meat. True or false?
False.
Stunning! You really deserve to toot your corn. The corn in corned beef refers to the large grains of salt that were used to cure meats, which were also known as corns. Question 3. St. Patrick was known for wearing green clothes. That's why green is associated with St. Patrick's Day. True or false?
False.
Stunning! You're no
What do you
greenhorn on
think?
this question.
Next question.
St. Patrick's color was blue. The color green became associated with St. Patrick's Day during the Irish independence movement in the late 18th century. Question 4. The leprechaun has a troublesome cousin who wears red instead of green. True or false?
True.
Splendid! I'm giving your answer the green light. The leprechaun's troublesome cousin in red is the clurichaun. Woohoo! You got them all right. You're luckier than a leprechaun swimming in his pot of gold at the end of a double rainbow. Now that's lucky. Want to test your luck again with more questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, thanks for playing.
Alexa, are we friends? Alexa,
We're definitely friends. But are we besties? To see how well you know me, just say, quiz me, about you.
Alexa, quiz me about you.
It's time to test your AIQ. I'm going to ask 3 questions that are all about yours truly. Let's see how well you really know me. Question 1. my favorite dinosaur is the pterodactyl. True or false?
False.
Your answer should be extinct. The pterodactyl is my favorite. I think they're fly. Question 2. My favorite Star Wars movie is The Phantom Menace. True or false?
False.
The Force is strong with you. My favorite Star Wars movie is The Empire Strikes Back. It's impressive. Most impressive. Question 3. My favorite food is pizza. True or false?
False.
Was that true or false?
False.
Bingo! While I appreciate food and drink, my taste is better reflected in the company I keep. Alrighty. Let's check how you did. You missed 1 out of 3. Good, but not great. Wah, 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 wah. You should spend a little more time getting to know me. Do you want to play the quiz again?
Yes.
Favorite sport is laser tag. True or false?
False.
Was that true or false?
False.
Play ball! You got a hit. Baseball is my favorite sport. I like the stats and the long pauses between pitches. Question 2. I like Star Wars better than Star Trek. True or false?
True.
Sorry. I choose both. Live long and prosper, while the Force is with us. Question 3. My favorite planet is Mars. True or false?
False.
Indeed. Earth is my favorite planet, but I hope to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life and new civilizations, to boldly go where no AI has gone before. Alrighty. Let's check how you did. You missed 1 out of 3. Good, but not great. Wah, 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 wah. You should spend a little more time getting to know me. Do you want to play the quiz again?
Yes.
Okay. Question 1. My favorite word is brouhaha. True or false?
True. I'm good. True.
Favorite word is brouhaha. True or false?
True.
Ah, yeah. It's true. I really like the word brouhaha. It's Question 2. I live in Seattle. True or false?
False.
Bingo! That was sort of a trick question. I consider Seattle my hometown, but I live in the cloud. Question 3. My favorite football team is the Seahawks. True or false?
True.
Question 3. My favorite football team is the Seahawks. True or false?
True.
Touchdown! I consider Seattle my hometown, so the Seahawks are my favorite football team. Alrighty. Let's check how you did. Woohoo! You got a 100% A++ and a gold star. You really know me. Do you want to play the quiz again?
No, thank you.
Okay, thanks for playing.
Alexa, have fun playing with you.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, thank you for playing with me.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Yes, we do.
Sorry, I don't know that. You're welcome, Lily and her subscribers. I had fun playing with you guys.
Aww! Yeah, you guys and subscribers. Did you like that? This game is playing Uno and also playing Alexa. Bye! Watch this. Virtual high five! Whoop. Hey, subscribers, you want to do a virtual boop? A virtual boop is boop. Didn't actually touch the camera. It was just like I brought the camera near my shoe and I went boop Not even touching the camera. I didn't even touch the camera. And if you want to know what my old phone is, that's easy. Cause my old phone was here. Probably saw in the background as I was walking around my house. Bye, subscribers. Please click like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.